I remember when I was younger, I heard news about dangerous things happening in Itaewon.
Yeah, there's even a famous movie about that. Murder in Itaewon.
Yes.
It wasn't me, don't worry.
So my question is Itaewon still dangerous? Is Itaewon dangerous?
Again, please.
Is Itaewon dangerous?
Is Itaewon dangerous? How would I ask that question in Korean?
이태원은 위험하나요?
아닙니다. 이태원은
위험하나요?
위험하나요?
Yes.
Yeah, 위험 is danger. 아, 이태원은 위험하나요? Yeah. Well, is Itaewon dangerous? You know, yes and no. Everywhere you go can be dangerous if you're not careful. Yeah, I always say situational awareness. Yeah, what nunchi, right? Know what's going on around you all the time. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. But look around. Don't be blind. Pay attention to who's close to you, what's going on, what's happening. Yeah, it's situational awareness is important. If you have situational awareness, even if it is dangerous, you can avoid the danger.
It's a very good thing to keep in mind.
Yeah. I would say if there is any danger, it's in Itaewon. It would maybe occur late at night. So if you get out of Itaewon by midnight or before 1 a.m., it should be okay.
That's good to know.
Yeah. Most of my troubles in Itaewon have occurred after 2 a.m. and before 5 a.m. Yeah.
Have you been in lots of trouble in Itaewon?
Me? Have I been in lots of trouble in Itaewon? Never.
I believe you.
No, I'm a good boy, of course. Yeah, Itaewon, it can be a rough and ready type of part of the town, but as you know, I've played guitar and live music in many of the bars in Itaewon in the past, but yeah, it can get kind of crazy at times, but no. Usually musicians are peaceful people. This is true. Itaewon. So, ladies and gentlemen, we don't work for Itaewon at all. However, if you're interested in visiting Seoul, Korea, and you're looking for a restaurant to go to, or a live band to see, you might try the Itaewon area. You just avoid danger, please. Any last comments about Itaewon, son?
I would say if it's your first time, you cannot come just once. You will have to visit again and again to get all the sights of Itaewon.
That is a truism. Yeah, it's not really a giant area. It's just that there's a lot of shops. Lots of shops, restaurants, bars, lots to do actually. Good advice about Itaewon. Well, son, I'm glad we had this conversation.
So am I.
Thanks for listening, everybody. I want to remind you, please share the link to this video with everybody you know. And if you have any comments or questions or anything you'd like to say, we're listening. Yeah, you can type a message, send a message to us. We're happy to hear from you. Thanks for your time. Take care. And thanks for listening to Father and Son. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome to review time. Are you ready? Sentence number 1. Is Itaewon always crowded? Is Itaewon always crowded? Good job. Sentence number 2. Can you recommend a restaurant? Can you recommend a restaurant? Excellent, excellent. Sentence number 3. Is Itaewon dangerous? Is Itaewon dangerous? Ooh, practice very carefully. See you next time. Bye-bye.